Hello everyone. Today we start with the chapter 10, The Elves and the Shoemaker. So this is the story about a shoemaker and two elves. We know the meaning of a shoemaker. Shoemaker means a person who makes shoes. And elves are very small, tiny creatures. Here in the picture we can see the picture of elves. So once upon a time there was a poor shoemaker who lived with his wife. So this shoemaker was very poor. He lived with his wife. He made excellent shoes and he worked very hard. But he could not earn enough to support himself and his family. He became so poor that he could not even afford to buy the leather he needed to make shoes. We know that we need leather, or a shoemaker needs leather to make the shoes. But he did not have that much money to buy the leather for the shoes. So he had only enough to make one last pair. So he cut them out with great care and put the pieces on his workbench so that he could sew them together the following morning. So everything he kept it ready for the next morning. So when he woke up in the next morning, he found a shining pair of beautiful shoes. He wondered where these shoes had come from, because the previous night he just cut them out with great care and it was just pieces. But in the morning, when he woke up in the morning, he found a shining pair of beautiful shoes instead of the pieces, leather pieces. He immediately put the fine pair of shoes in the window for display. A man who was passing by saw these beautiful shining shoes and he bought them at a good price. So the shoemaker was very happy. He immediately went out and purchased plenty of food for his family and some more leather. Because he got a lot of money, so he was very happy and he went to market and he purchased a lot of food, plenty of food and some more leather to make the shoes. That afternoon also he cut out two pairs of shoes and laid all the pieces on the bench so he could sew them the next day. So that evening also he cut two pairs of shoes, pieces of two pairs of shoes, and he put it there on his workbench, so it will be easy for him to sew that for the next morning. But in the next morning, what happened? Again, he found two pairs of beautifully finished shoes on his workbench. So he was so surprised. Who is making such beautiful shoes for him? He put them in his shop window, and a wealthy man came, and he also paid a great deal of money for them. So the happy shoemaker went right out and bought even more leather. So this continued for many nights, not only for one day or 2 days. This is continued for many nights, and his shelves were filled with beautiful shoes like no one had ever seen before. So all the wealthy people, they started to come here in his shop to buy the shoes, and he slowly he became very healthy. He became very wealthy. One day the shoemaker and his wife decided to keep a watch that night, find out who was being so kind to them. So at that night they decided to find out who is making the beautiful shoes for them. In the middle of the night, everybody was sleeping. At that time, this husband and wife, they hide themselves. They hide themselves behind the door. So at that time they saw the two elves are coming, and they after that they started their work. That means they were started to make the beautiful shoes. So this shoemaker and his wife was very surprised when they saw the two elves. The elves were deep in their work making shoes for them. The morning they had made many new shoes, and this shoemaker and his wife were filled with gratitude. And when they saw that the elves had nothing to wear, they decided to make new warm clothes for them. So they kept their gift in the workshed in the next night, and they hid behind the door. And again, the midnight, the elves came and they saw the new clothes, and they were very happy. They sang and they danced all the night. And these elves, they understood that, they knew that the shoemaker and his wife no longer needed their help because they became wealthy now. They do not need their help. So what they did, these two elves, they went away to help someone else in need. So they went away from there, and they started to they went away to help someone else in need. They were searching for other person, those who want their help. So this is the story of the shoemaker and the two elves. So read this story 2 times and learn the new words given here. Diligently, worked very hard, wealthy, rich, gratitude, being thankful, approaching, coming, arriving. Thank you. Have a nice day.